We got involved really with the intent of just doing copy design originally. We then right away discovered component replacement. For us, it was absolutely key other step. We've skipped man weeks of work, and we've done a lot to eliminate errors in our documentation that I don't think you could really do if you had people as the link between all those different pieces of information.
Now we have the capability of having different people working on different parts of the design at the same time, which allowed us also to gain efficiency and to have a shorter lead time.
It used to be at Joy that even though we had engineering offices on different continents, they pretty much worked independently. But now that we've implemented a global vault, we have a tool that all of our engineering staff in any of our regions in the world can get real lifetime data, the latest designs on all of our products.
We decided to use the Vault in the January, and by the June it was fully implemented globally. It was, I would say, one of the smoothest migrations from one system to another that I've ever been involved in.